Okay, Rocky. And where he at? I know. I thought I seen a tree. Okay. Rocky is in the tree. And there he go. He gone. Don't break nothing now. Nigga, so what you was doing? You how old are you was playing in the snow? In the child coming out.
Unnecessarily fun. Like it's ridiculous.
Where he at? I keep seeing myself. Okay. Is the tree? Oh Lord, now he really gonna break something. Where he at? I really can't see him. Oh, I think I got him. There you go. Ooh, the snow on my face. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. I think he's scared. Ooh. My phone get wet. I see you ain't jumped yet. Poke the eye from what? I can't see him. Oh. Oh, way over there? Close your eyes. Jump and close your eyes. Oh, who trying to get it?
Go down the other side.
Oh, it's one branch though. It's in the way. He ain't gonna be able to. They can't even reach it, and they talk. Just moving and moving. Move it out the way and let him jump. Jonte can't jump. Black man can't jump. That's what it is. Oh, who? Somebody flying in here. Who I know? Who is it? And he gonna probably back up in here. He ain't got no damn space. He gonna get in your way. No, there's a little parking space. I think that's where he go. He can back up in there. Oh, there you go. Uh-oh. Lord, he's scared. He's scared. He's scared. Ooh. I dare you.
Let's go. Let's go.
Just belly flop. No, I don't know. Jump into your sideways. Try to turn your body side. Oh, shit. He did it. He did it.
Where is he?
He right. Oh, right there. Right in front of where he was at.